Good evening, guys. Welcome. We got another one for the slow cooker series for you today. Nice and easy one. We got potato and lentil mix. We got 5 cups of sweet potato chopped. We got 1.5 cups of red lentils. 2 teaspoons of chili powder and garam masala. 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, cumin, turmeric, chili flakes, madras powder and salt. 1 onion chopped and 5 garlic cloves chopped. 1 teaspoon of chili paste. 1 can of coconut milk. 3 cups of water now and 1 for later. And that's how simple it is, guys. Add the 5 cups of sweet potato chopped. Add the onion and garlic. Add the spices. Add the chili paste. Made this one myself. 3 cups of water. You can also use 3 cups of vegetable stock. I just don't have any. Wham bam, bam alarm. Give it a stir. Thank you, Sam. Feed me up some lovely stuff tonight. But it's not done yet! It's a burner, guys. On high, 3 hours. And then we'll inform you on the next when we get to it. 3 hours in, guys. You want to add the extra 1 cup of water and lentils. Stir. And put on high for another 1.5 hours. Finally, guys, you want to add the coconut milk. Give it a lovely stir. Ooh, steamy. Lovely stir, guys. Now leave that now set. Well, not set, like turn the heat off and just give it 5 minutes, guys, to heat together. But that's it, guys. Sweet potato and lentils mix. Jesus, steamy. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. Have a good day, guys. Thank you for joining. If you've liked the video, don't forget to like and subscribe.